Hi, my name is Umah. I'm with Nanyang Polytechnic's Diploma in Business Management. I just attended a 2-day course in applications of generative AI in digital marketing. I can definitely say these 2 days are extremely well worth spending because you learn the tools, you network, you speak to peers from different industries, and we talk about our challenges. And so it's definitely a very fruitful session for me. My mind-blowing moment was how we created podcasts, videos, social media posts for a full 1 month, all within 10-15 minutes across various platforms using the various tools, and really putting together an entire digital marketing campaign, and that really changes the game for us as marketeers. The activity toolkit was very well thought out. We had the Zoom link, we had the Mentimeter. Throughout the 2 days, all the different materials came out, not all at one go, at each juncture where the trainers were going through. It came out at the right time. And what I absolutely loved was how the AI-assisted templates were already prepared for us. So whether you're talking about creating the buyer persona, the customer avatar, or whether you're going to create that podcast script, it was all kind of templated in for us. All we needed to do was just key it in and then let the AI do the magic for you. And then of course, as AI creates all that content for us, we are able to pick and choose and tweak as we go along with the prompting and come up with a better product. We know AI is here. It's going to become even bigger. I mean, as a lecturer, our main aim here is to, share back these trends, what's evolving, what's trending out there in the industry with our learners. Definitely going to bring back all these tools, little techniques that we have learned back to our learners, and I'm sure they will definitely benefit from it as well. The tools are here. We should be open, embrace ourselves, do not fear. Play around with these tools and see how can we adapt and use these tools to achieve our business goals.